Did you know that only 20% of people who lose weight keep it off? That's right. It's tough. The journey to weight loss is filled with challenges, and maintaining that weight loss can be even harder. But don't be discouraged. But what if I told you losing weight can make you richer? Yes, you heard that correctly. Shedding those extra pounds can have a positive impact on your finances. It's true, it's about more than just pounds. It's about gaining confidence, improving your health, and even saving money on medical bills and other expenses. It's about changing your mindset. When you shift your perspective, you open up a world of possibilities. When you believe in yourself, anything is possible. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. This isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and opening doors to a brighter future. Imagine the freedom that comes with a healthier lifestyle. Imagine having more energy, more confidence, and more money. These are the benefits that come with a holistic approach to weight loss. That's the power of transformation. It's a journey worth taking, and the rewards are beyond measure. Weight loss and financial success have something in common: hard work. You need a plan and the discipline to stick to it. Start small, celebrate victories, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Think of your health as an investment. When you invest in your well-being, you're investing in your future earning potential. We all face obstacles. They come in many forms and can appear at any stage of our journey. Maybe it's the cost of gym memberships or healthy food. These financial barriers can seem insurmountable at times. Maybe it's finding the motivation to get off the couch. The mental struggle can be just as challenging as the physical one. But remember, every journey has bumps in the road. These setbacks are not the end, but rather opportunities to grow stronger. There are affordable ways to get fit, like online workouts and home-cooked meals. These options can help you stay on track without breaking the bank. And remember, motivation comes from within. It's about finding that inner drive and pushing through the tough times. Find your why and you'll find your way. Your purpose will guide you through any obstacle, leading you to success. Section 4, Inspiration Station, Real People, Real Results. This is where we showcase the incredible journeys of everyday individuals who have transformed their lives through fitness and determination. Take Sarah, a single mum who lost 50 pounds and started her own fitness business. Her journey wasn't easy, but her dedication and hard work paid off. Now she inspires others to follow in her footsteps. Or John, who overcame his health issues and landed his dream job. Through perseverance and a commitment to his health, John turned his life around and achieved his career goals. These are just two examples of how transforming your health can transform your wealth. When you invest in your well-being, the benefits extend far beyond physical appearance. Their stories prove that anything is possible with determination. Whether it's losing weight, gaining confidence, or achieving a lifelong dream, the possibilities are endless. They found their why, pushed past their limits, and achieved incredible things. Now it's your turn. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and watch as your own story unfolds. We want to hear your stories. Share your weight loss and financial success journeys with us using #FightOnFlourishing. Let's inspire each other to achieve greatness. For more tips and tricks, visit our website. You've got this.